one frame for me. So she purchased one frame for her. And then what is that she is done is that picture whatever she purchased from him, she took a photograph, an image from her camera, okay, and then she put it in her social media. Through the WhatsApp status, through the Instagram, through the Facebook, she shared that I have purchased this image. It is cool. So like that she shared in social media. So then her friends, my PPT is not visible. Anyone in the group please respond. Is my PPT is visible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Then please ma'am, you please pin on my screen so that it will be visible. Those who are not able to see my PPT, please pin on my screen. Then the PPT will be visible. Okay? Alright. So the group shared through the WhatsApp status, Instagram stories, and then Facebook. This is the pic I love, so I got it from my neighbor. So immediately her friends asked her, okay, from where you purchased it? It is really beautiful. So she said, okay, I purchased from this fellow who sits near to my home. And then next Sunday on some other day they have come, all the friends, and they bought 8 images they purchased from him. All of the friends also, they liked the images very well. So they simply loved it and they purchased all the 8 products from him. Okay? And end of the day, the person came to this, you have purchased one and you have shared it through your social media. So that today
प्रोग्राम सुना था क्या?
I am able to get 8.
तो जब हुआ और हेडलाइन शूट हो गई
8 images are sold out today. Partly I used to get 2,000 rupees a day. But today, with your support, I got 5,000 rupees. For the really thank you. Listen, really thank you sister for your support. Then this girl was thinking, okay, if I am sharing it through only my personal WhatsApp media or this Instagram, so he got more 8 customers. So if I can do something, some other thing, marketing, so he will be benefit throughout his life, no? So with her friend's support, she helped him. Images are 15, pictures are 15 frames by sitting at home, not even coming outside. So like that, identify the challenges of people and extend your support. That is where our knowledge, our education, our qualification comes into picture. That is where we need to be responsible. We need to extend our support to our local people. In that process, we need to have creativity. But I believe here, all of you are 21st century students. The 21st century students are creative thinkers by birth. The resources available to you also, to large extent. Today everything is in your palm. The world is in your hands through the mobile. So utilize the resource in your whatever you have in your hands. Proper utilization is required, beta. In this process you will get a lot of challenges. At every step you will get the challenges. Have to connect the farmers to the local business, and then how to connect them to the national business, then to the global business. All these are the challenges. Accept all those challenges and go ahead. That is our role. Okay. All this is because for Atmanirbhar Bharat. Whatever name you give, vocal for local or make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So we need to campaign our own products. In this regard, the government of India uh, rather, especially, initially this is being launched by government of Uttar Pradesh in 2018. From your state only it has started. So in 2018, the government of Uttar Pradesh has taken a decision for one district, one product. हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक स्पेशलिटी प्रोडक्ट आइडेंटिफाई करना है, वो जो प्रोडक्ट के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं वो एक्सटेंड करना है ना? So Government of Uttar Pradesh has launched with this one district, one product, and the intention of this one district, one product, or whatever we are talking today, is to make agriculture to the agripreneur. Okay, so we wanted to combine the agriculture and the business models, entrepreneurship, so that our people will become agripreneurs because they have lot of skills. They have lot of skills. So if that skills can be utilized for the proper marketing, so yes, we are going to get our nation is going to develop. Okay. So further also, we have PMFME scheme. And the aim of the scheme is to provide financial assistance, technical support and the business development. Remember here, when you are supporting to your local product, then only it will be eligible. Okay? So vocal for local is the major agenda here. You can observe these are the few products which are already running through PMFME scheme under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. So you observe here the dairy products, grain processing, fruits and vegetables, fats and oil processing. These are the few examples. We have, ODOP for each district there is a product already identified. As I mentioned, this is initiated by Government of Uttar Pradesh in 2018, but from 2021 it has become national mission. In all 700 plus districts of our country, the products have been identified, and very recently, 30 days back or 45 days back, through the Government of India, a dedicated person on the name of resource person has been identified and they've been working for this one district, one product. So that's how our initial step has been taken from the Government of India for this one district, one product national mission. Okay, so these are some examples for ODOP. Kacha bananas are from Lakhimpur, UP. Cherries from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Arunachal Pradesh se haldi. Assam is aloo. Like South Delhi, the metropolitan cities में bakery items. Andhra Pradesh में pulses and grains. Like that we have for each district 738 products have been identified under one district, one product. Okay? So these are the few examples here you can observe. These are the products made by the villagers. This is a water filter which cost us only 380 rupees, which is made by the farmers from the KVIC of Karnataka state. Similarly, this is a food processing unit started by a rural woman, two self-help group women. And the district magistrate has been, he has inaugurated this and encouraged the women to go ahead with these products. So like that they have become entrepreneurs today. And observe here, these are the another products from the villages. If you see here, this is a PPE kit. This PPE kit is made up of the wastage from the honeybees. After taking honey, we will have a kata, which is waste. We feel it is waste. But the villagers, by using this kata, they have made up this PPE kit, which is purely organic and natural, which will not harm any person. Okay, so that's how we have many products. See here, made up from the mud, and you see the CNC rotors, agriculture system, composter pits. All these are the rural products. and these are made by the villagers. So in this case, what we can do is we can add our knowledge, is one, and another thing is we can promote all these items made in India, and another thing is go for the marketing of these products, globalize these products. That is our role as part of rural entrepreneurship cell. You see, these are the nice, beautiful jute items. Here, another case study I will share. With this case study, I'll close my PPT and we'll go to a small video. Okay? The case study, this is a case study from TIS Tuljapur campus. In TIS Tuljapur, what happened, the students wanted to work on waste management. So in the process of working on waste management, they have identified coconut waste. Coconut peel, the wastage will be there, nariyal ka wastage. So out of that waste, they wanted to do something. Further, what they have done, they have identified 4 villages self-help group women and connected these 4 groups of women to the SIRT, State Institution of Rural Development. And SIRT has provided 3 months of training to this women group. 3 months of free training. Okay? Then, after 3 months of training, the women have come up with these beautiful products by using the coconut waste. Now, every day, one woman will go to the campus and she will collect all the nariyal waste. And then afterward, they will take 15 to 20 days of time and they'll prepare these nice, beautiful items out of the wastage. Till now, we felt that is a wastage. But after, they are doing all this, we are really surprised. So that's how the TIS Tuljapur students have extended their support to the 4 self-help group women. So that is where our role comes into picture. That is where we need to extend our support and our education. Okay? So these are the few links. This PPT I will share with Gurpreet Madam and Subhash Verma sir, so that they can share with you all. You can go through this. As I mentioned, I present a small video here, which is available in YouTube. That tells, it's like a summary of one district, one product. That video will give you a summary of one district, one product. Just a minute. I will.
द्वारा 5 वर्षों में 25,000 करोड़ की वित्तीय सहायता के जरिए 25 को ये जाना होगा इनका सक्सेसफुल होना इंडिया की ग्रोथ स्टोरी के लिए इतना इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है। उत्तर प्रदेश एक स्टेट है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हरियाणा है, महाराष्ट्र है, मध्य प्रदेश है, मगर यूपी खास इसलिए क्योंकि इसका साइज बहुत बड़ा है और मोस्ट पॉपुलर स्टेट है।
The country is benefiting, that you need to identify, because in every village, the resources are there and are skilled villagers. They have 100% skills more than us. Even whatever we are doing, we may be, excel in some MNCs, working as CEOs, directors and all, but still, their experience, their commitment, their working, has a lot impact. But still, they do have their own challenges. Our work is to identify those challenges. Resources here, products here, skilled people are there. Then what is the problem? What is the challenge over there? Why our own village product is not reaching nationwide? Why we are not able to globalize our product? Identify those challenges. What is that stopping us? Okay? So that we need to identify. That is our role as part of REDC cell. REDC cell to Rural Entrepreneurship Development Cell. So as part of Rural Entrepreneurship Development Cell, our prime role is to identify available resources in our own village. खुद आपका वर्क है. No need to go anywhere. Okay? So work in 10 kilometers radius. Identify the speciality of your area. What product is more, demanding in your area. And then, very importantly, identify challenges that people are facing. Because that is where our role comes into picture. As an educational institution, as a socially responsible citizen, that is where you need to extend your support to your community, the local area, local community. Okay? So that is the agenda of our workshop session today. Okay? If you see, this is the case in every village. In every village, all of this will be available. Farming is there, water resources are there, dairy products, milk-based products we can come up. Identify such resources in your village. And then, focus what you can do with those resources. Is there any chance to develop a business using the local resource? If yes, so, you need to give the proper awareness to the people and then go up with the rural entrepreneurship. I'm sure first of all, you may face some problems, but after that, need not worry. You will get all the profits whatever you've been expecting. That is the beauty of entrepreneurship. In any entrepreneurship, rural entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship, or startup ideas in your language, the 21st century language, we are calling all these business ideas as startup ideas. The startup ideas also will be succeed.
And IIMT, we have the IIMT students also. And I hope in the days to come, we will also be attending the workshops actively and whatever initiative you take at the central level. And we would like to take this program to the villages and grassroots level. And
Yeah, that's really great, Professor. Yes, we recommend you to please encourage all such kind of activities in your local areas by involving students specifically for the marketing challenges.
very much for the student and Professor recording from our product. We have already formed the working time. And hopefully
Thank you.
Thank you.